It's Tackle Tart!
Solo pasa por las calles, recorriendo todo el barrio.
So, what are we talking about? We're talking about Columbia shirts. Columbia shirts. Like this one. Oh my word. I used to have, how many did I have of these? 16 of them. I had orange, I had lime, I had green, I had tan, I had white. And you wear them in Cuba. And you wear them in Key West. Here's your favourite tackle shop in Isla Morada, Worldwide Sportsman. This is where you get them from, boys. And you know what? I had so many of them. I had so many that actually all I've got left now is these two. And I'm still putting them on and pretending that I'm Ernest Hemingway fishing off the dry tortugas for bonefish, for tarpon. I'm still reading his book. Now, when you go to Worldwide Sportsman in Isla Morada, you can actually see a model, a scale model of the boat that he lived in, where he did all that shagging, all that fishing, all that drinking. Those fantastic cocktails that Ernest Hemingway was so well known for. Columbia shirts. Ernest Hemingway, Tackle Tart. Great fishing shirts, right? Doesn't make you catch any more fish. Doesn't make you any more attractive to the other sex, certainly not. But it makes you feel like Hemingway. It makes you feel like you're on holiday and it's Easter, the sun's shining, and it's Tackle Tart. Man, Columbia shirts, episode 11. Let's do it. Let's do it, baby. Woohoo!